In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GoodRx. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable throughout the process. First, you want to open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. This is your gateway to accessing a vast library of apps, including GoodRx. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help prevent any interruptions during the download process. A quick tip: keeping your apps updated through Google Play ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Once you have the Google Play Store open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is your tool for quickly finding the app you need among the millions available. Typing in the search bar is a skill that allows you to find apps efficiently, saving you time and effort. Next, you'll type GoodRx into the search bar. As you type, you'll likely see search suggestions appear below. This feature helps you find what you're looking for even faster. It's smart and can anticipate your needs based on popular searches. From there, you'll want to select GoodRx tokens named prescription coupons from the list of options. It's important to pick the right app to ensure you get the official and most secure version. Selecting the correct app helps protect your personal information and guarantees the app works as intended. After selecting the app, tap the Install button. This begins the download and installation process. Make sure your device has enough storage space, as this can affect the ability to install new apps. Installing from the Google Play Store is safe, as apps are vetted for security. Now, wait for the download to complete. This can take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Patience is key here, as rushing might lead to errors or incomplete installations. Once the download is finished, the install process will automatically follow. Once installed, tap Open to launch GoodRx. This moment is exciting, as you're about to explore all the features the app has to offer. Opening the app for the first time is like stepping into a new world of possibilities, especially with an app like GoodRx that can save you money on prescriptions. At this point, you can either sign in or continue using the app without an account. If you already have a GoodRx account, sign in to access your saved information. If not, you can still explore the app and make use of its features. Signing in usually provides a more personalized experience, allowing you to track savings and prescriptions more effectively. Remember, each step in this process is designed to make downloading and using GoodRx as seamless as possible. From ensuring you choose the right app to understanding the importance of signing in, every detail matters. With these steps, you can now enjoy the benefits of GoodRx, making prescription savings more accessible than ever. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to explore the app and discover its full potential. Until next time, happy saving with GoodRx.